What's going on, everybody? Thanks for tuning back in. Today we are going to do a hard reset on a Hot Pepper Serrano 3. So if you have one of these and you forgot a pattern or a password that you forgot what it is and you have to do a hard reset, I will show you how to do that. As always, just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important on here, it's going to get deleted. Also, guys, if you haven't yet subscribed, we have a ton more of these hard resets and teardowns coming up, and we'd appreciate that. But otherwise, let's jump into this. First thing we want to do is make sure that the phone's off, and you can either turn it off by the power button or pull the battery out and put it back in. But you got your volume up, volume down, and power button right there. And what we want to do is we're going to hold volume up, which is right here, and power at the same time. Start off by holding volume up and then hit the power button. And it brings us right to our boot mode selection, and from here you want to use the volume up to scroll and then volume down to select, and we want the arrow to point on recovery. Once it's on recovery, hit the volume down button. I do like that Hot Pepper names all their phones after a pepper. It kind of makes me laugh. Find it interesting. We get to this no command screen. So from this here, what we have to do is we want to hold power and tap volume up and then let go relatively quickly. Then we want to use the volume buttons to scroll, power button to select, and we want to scroll down to wipe data factory reset, hit the power button, confirm again, hit the power button. Now it's deleting, now it's done. Now we can either reboot or power off, and in this case I'm just going to power off the phone, but if you did hit reboot, it just loads to the welcome screen, and you can set up the phone like it was when it was new. So that is how you do a hard reset on a Hot Pepper Serrano 3. Hopefully you guys found that helpful. If you did, if you could like, share, subscribe, all that wonderful stuff, we definitely appreciate it. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.